So before we start, I'll show you guys the last picture or video in my gallery. So you can see the last picture in my gallery. So now the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to head into our Play Store. It could be also an App Store depending on the mobile phone you're using, the mobile device. So in your App Store or your Play Store, you want to search for Instagram. Please make sure you install Instagram. But if installed already, make sure you update it. And once you update it, you want to click on Open. So now that our Instagram account has opened, I'm going to be using a particular account for this tutorial. So I'm going to be selecting this Chelsea FC. So next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to hit on their profile, their story, and I'm going to click on these three dots right here and click on copy link. You can see here it says link copy to clipboard. So right now I'm going to head into my browser. So for my iPhone, I use T-Downloader. If you don't have this app, it's very good. So you can go to Play Store or App Store and download this. It's very fast and good. It's one of my best app for downloading on the iPhone. So I want to open that now, and from here now I'm going to click on this bar here. So guys, this is a place you want to be careful. You don't want to make any mistake here. In this search bar here, you want to search for SSS Instagram. Is a 3S with an Instagram in it. So now you want to click on that. I'm just going to dismiss this. So here now we are going to paste in that link which you have copied from that story. It could be a picture, it could be a video, it doesn't mean, just paste in the link there. So from here now you wait for the video to pop up. You can see this is the video. All we have to do now is click on download. You can see a download option will pop out and you can download that. Then you can choose the name, how it appears on your video, how you want to save it on your gallery. So I'll be using test because it is for texting. So now the video is downloading. I can go back now by clicking on this box right here, and you can see here the video is downloading. So this app is one of the best apps for Android and for iOS users. It allows you to download any content from any website. So right here now you can see all you have to do now is highlight that download and click on share, then click on save to video. So now if I go back to my gallery, and you can see now the video is right there. So guys, this is basically how you can do this. It's very fast, easy and free. You don't have to pay for anything. So guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tech Impact. Turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you and see you in the next video. God bless you.